sharp for here.
John, come here.
Babe. Babe.
Very flooring.
Ale kiaye. No, it's not. Wallahi kadiya ne da duba. Go a duba.
Ahaka. Ai kuma ka fa sani. Ahaka.
Mom of three beautiful girls that's expecting her fourth child. On this day, we went for antenatal. Yeah, we went to see our doctor today. Of course, myself and my baby. So guess what? I make I put something for stomach. Already I went with my food. Yes, I just located their eatery and I said, Madam, please make I stay here chop. And after eating, I drank my water. And at this point, we are done seeing our doctor. We are heading home. Ciao, ciao. I woke up with this craving. Of course, no man now, trust me. Thank God I already have it in my pot. So I went straight to the kitchen, microwaved, and served myself. Guess what is it? Fufu and egusi soup. With small rishi inside though. My dear, what man go do man now? If you care, just wash your hand. Come join me because it's already going down. Thank you so much for always liking, commenting, sharing, and following our page. Can you finish it? I got bread. Make sure you can finish it. Well, wait. Can you finish this bread? You have to go to yourself. You just can put this. If you finish, you can another bread. Green paper I put for a for you so that just flat place cake so you're not going to.
One plus one. My own is in the nylon. Mommy, thank you, Ma.
You're welcome.
Mommy, thank you, Ma.
You're welcome.
Alright. Mommy, thank you, Ma.
You're welcome.
Alright.
Yeah. What are you eating?
Hello.
You love what? Rice and beans. See, all of you will eat together, eh? So I cook rice and vegetable.
Mommy, see for us.
Of course. So pick any one you want.
I want this one. See my own chicken.
So what are you supposed to say?
Mommy, thank you, ma.
Thank-
Mommy, alright.
Alright, Keke, go and eat. I'm going to eat jollof rice with what?
Banana.
Banana, right? Mama, you're eating with banana, right?
Chicken with banana.
Oh yeah, go and eat. Oh yeah, collect. What are you?
Mommy, thank you, ma. We love you, ma. Alright. Alright. God bless you. Alright.
Bless you too.
I love you.
Love you, man. First 2 months of my pregnancy, I can never eat this, even with money. I tells you, even if you dash me money, I can never combine these two. But this is me enjoying it with my full chest. My anywhere you see me, just give me a hug, because it was not easy. Oh, honestly, what pregnancy cannot do does not exist. Few months back, honestly, I couldn't even eat 2 spoons of pasta. Pregnancy really showed me shege banza. Oh, but now if I tell you this food inside the school, I literally finished everything. My dear, don't blame me if you see me, just give me a hug, because it was not easy a few months ago. Hi love, please tell me what you think. What do you think about this hair? Because at this point I think this hair is long overdue. I think I should reduce it because I'm not yet ready to plait my hair. Honestly, no power, no strength, no energy to start plaiting my hair. So I'm thinking of reducing it all. But my kids were like, Mommy, you're looking so beautiful. Please do not reduce. Hi besties! Join me out to have this delicious breakfast. Honestly, the kind of food I eat these days even scares me, honestly. This is jollof rice with vegetables and plantain. And I would be dissecting it with 2 eggs. So I said, okay, this is what baby wants actually. But I said, this baby, are you sure we can finish this food? Yeah? That was time I started working this whole thing. Coupled with the fact that food was so plenty. At the end of the day, my dear, at this point, I'm tired. I had to cover and say, please, let me dissect it with this more. Today we overcooked breakfast for the guests. Honestly, I didn't measure. I just collected some and prepared, and at the end of the day, this is what we'll have. And I was like, no, I can't waste it. Oh, we have to make use of it for our dinner. So I know if we are to eat it like that, these children and myself are not going to eat it the way we are supposed to. So I tried to prepare beans so that it can go alongside with the jollof rice. My dear, that's the only alternative, or else this food go waste, and I'm not ready to waste food for this economy. I'm not ready for that. So I'll be preparing porridge beans. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Our porridge beans is ready. Of course, we'll be dissecting it with our overcooked rice because, like I told you, we overcooked rice and we have to make use of it for our dinner because there's nothing like wasting here. Oh, yeah. So in this economy, it no go happen. So we'll be missing it. But my first daughter says she wants to eat only beans. My second daughter says she wants to eat the rice and beans. My third daughter also wanted rice and beans, so this is it. They will have to come and pick for themselves. Mom of 3 beautiful girls that is expecting her first child. Today we are having yam with tomato sauce, fried plantain and boiled egg, and of course the pot is full, or the flask is full, and a lot of people be asking me, madam, you're eating too much. Yeah, so don't blame me. First trimester was something else. I just want to see the flask full, even if I'm not going to finish it. Like now I'm done and nowhere this one go enter. So I gas cover, take my water and have my rest because we are done. I met this woman again. Honestly, her African salad or abacha is a top notch. Today is the second time I'm meeting her. The first time I tried it, I was like, wow, I would have bought more than this. And today again, I met her. I was like, no, I must get 2 plates home because this woman can really do this thing at the top. So if you try this woman's abacha, oh my God. So that was how I asked her to dish 2 for us, for me, 1 plate for me and the other plate for my daughters. After all, it's not food, it's just an appetizer. And at this point, we are done. So we go home. This is mine. And I was like, okay, time to dissect it. This is me working it with so much enjoyment. My dear, if you care, come over with your spoon because this abacha sweet though. It's sweet, no be small. And if you are coming, make sure you are going to take just 1 spoon. Ciao, ciao.